Introducing the DIY Glass Globe Magical House Kit. Unleash your creativity with this enchanting set that brings dreamlike visions to life. Inside, you'll find everything you need: wood, fabric, and LED lights, allowing you to construct a glowing mini castle easily. No complex tools are required. Perfect for beginners, with a simple 1-star difficulty rating. You can create beautiful themed bottles like the magical door and time magic. Watch as your creation transforms into a stunning desk ornament, or a soothing nightlight, making it the ideal heartfelt gift for any occasion. Awaken the fairy tale dreams in every girl and collect memories that sparkle like stars. Get your DIY Glass Globe Magical House Kit today.